Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2012 Nissan Titan. The Titan houses the Endurance V8 engine, the largest standard truck engine in its class. But the benefits don't stop there. The massive interior cabin boasts a fold-up rear bench seat and a flat loading floor. When it comes to power and comfort, the Titan can't be beat. This vehicle has less than 140,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sliding rear window, towing package, aluminum wheels, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, auto off headlights, power driver mirrors, security system. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You've found it, so stop in today.
Every certified pre-owned Nissan meets or exceeds comprehensive criteria and passes a rigorous inspection. We look at everything with meticulous detail before admitting any vehicle into the Nissan Certified Program. See your Nissan dealer to find the certified pre-owned vehicle that's right for you.